Alright guys, back for more Lego stuff. Lego stuff. Today are tornado sirens. I have made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 federal signal sirens, 1 ASC, 1 Maryland, and 1 ACA. The ACA is the shortest. The clapping distance is from my sister Katie. So, we're going to start out. This is my Model 5. We're just doing a little tour of what they look like. This is a Model 5. We got our Screamer. Got a 2001 DC with a little antenna. This is for Henry County. They do alert and attack. I did Maroon County alert and attack, but then I made another modulator for Maroon and just alert. Got a T128 here. People ask me how do you make it easy. Piece of an engine, and we have some pieces that look like this. I'm showing you right now. You need 2 of these little hum pieces for the back, 2 bricks, and then 5 flat pieces, and then a 2x3 flat piece on for the bottom, and then one with the stuff thing in the middle with the antenna. Next, the Indianapolis style 2001 with 30. Get the siren head, the big old antenna. The Maroon County actually tests this tomorrow. And you get the controls on the bottom. You got EIC8P. And I got the modulator for Maroon. This is the county line area, so that's where the 508 draws in. I actually set the Maroon County tests every Saturday at 7 o'clock, and then Henry County tests the first Saturday of the month, so at 1 o'clock. So got a 508, pretty cool. Kind of look like, try to make it the best out of it so it can look exactly like an actual 508. Got another modulator, just a single modulator. Control sound here. And then if you live in Norwich, Illinois, I made a Lego version Welland WPS 4004 with a voice and alert from Maroon County. So I got an antenna right here. I got the circle for people knowing that it's a 4004 WPS. I got the controls. And this also does voice and alert as well. Get the buttons activated. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you where they're actually located at. This WPS is located all the way over here. A little far off from where this 2001 with 30 is going to be, which will be right there. And then this modulator goes here, right by the gas station. And then the county line sirens go on this magazine. So you can hear 2 sirens. And these sirens go somewhere else. These sirens go somewhere else and elsewhere in the county. Mile 5 does alert and attack. So does the team with 28. 2001 DC. This is on the control box. And haven't figured out where I can probably put the DC and the T128 Mile 5 and ACA Screamer. I'll think of a plan. One day. Alright. You can see the sirens. If you can. Oh, if you guys like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Sorry about that. My sister was talking. But write in the description below, comment and tell me what is your favorite tornado siren. My personally favorite is the 2001 30. The 2001 it's in the WPS because it's really cool. It's wailing. So, yep, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to smash that thumbs up if you love. Tell me, what kind of tornado sirens do you have in your county or state? Alright, that's out for guys. CGWG signing off.